How to add a subscribe button to your videos. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a clean subscribe button animation in Capcut using a green screen overlay. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, we need to download a free subscribe button animation for your videos. Open your browser and head over to Pexels. This is a free stock footage website where you can download videos and animations for your projects. Once you're on the website, tap on the search bar and type subscribe button green screen. You'll see a bunch of different animations appear on the screen. Pick the one you like, preview it, then tap download to save it to your device. Now open Capcut and load the project you want to edit. Once your video timeline is open, tap import and add the green screen subscribe animation you just downloaded. After that, drag the subscribe animation above your main video clip on the timeline. This is important because it needs to sit on a separate layer over your footage. Now we need to remove the green background. Tap on the subscribe animation clip, then look for Remove BG or Chroma Key, depending on your device. Tap Chroma Key, then use the color picker tool to select the green background from the animation. Capcut will instantly remove the green screen and leave only the subscribe button visible on your video. If you still see green edges around the animation, adjust the intensity or shadow slider until everything looks smooth and clean. Finally, resize and move the subscribe button wherever you want on the screen. Most creators place it in the bottom corner of the video. And that's it. Your subscribe animation is now added and your video looks way more professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.